Hey everybody, it's Adam coming to you with another puppet show with our beloved friend Petri. Hello everybody! Waving! Waving! Love how you wave. Waving is a great way to say hi or greet somebody. Hey, we're gonna play a word game today. Ooh, a word game? How do you play? I'm gonna give you 3 clues, and I want you to try to guess what it is from the clues. Okay! Alright, I'm gonna start off easy and then make it a little harder. Are you ready? Oh, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it! Yes! Alright. The first one is gonna be this clue. I go vroom, vroom. I have wheels and I ride on the road. You go vroom, vroom, wheels, and ride on the road? Are you a car? You are right. Okay, I almost guessed trike, but that wasn't gonna be good enough. Okay, I'm ready. Number 2. Okay, this one, I float in the sky, and I'm closer to the sun than you, and I am white and puffy. Are you a pillow? That is a good guess. That would be very puffy, but a pillow is not in the sky, and the pillow is not as close to the sun. Oh, wait. Up there? Like outside? Yep, let's look outside. Oh, is it a cloud? Yes, you've gotten it. You've gotten 2 right. All right, you got the car, and you got the cloud. All right, are you ready for one more? Yep. All right, I have feathers. I can talk, and I am a bird. You're not a bird. No. That was the clue. Feathers, talking, and a bird. What could it be? I'm looking all around. Yeah, I'm looking all around too. What? Oh, nothing. I was looking this way. Yeah, were you doing something? Oh, I just wanted you to make a guess. Feathers, flying. Hey, it's me! Yes, it's you, Petri. You were the 3rd one. You got it. We did a car, we did clouds, and we did you. Oh, that's a cool one. That's the word game? Yep, that's the word game, and you can play it with any words or with any person you like. And you can guess phone, you can guess train, you can guess table. You can make it up and do whatever you want. It's just a game to play with others. Okay, the word game. All right, well, what's the word? The word is, it's time to be done. Wave to everybody.